Hello guys, welcome to this weekly recap with me, Kevin, your golden option Forex mentor. So for the past week of trading from Sunday, December 29th till January 3rd, 2020. So happy new year to you guys. We took only one trade because there was low volatility. Many traders wanted to do what you actually did during the holidays, so spend time with their families and celebrate um Christmas for those who celebrate that holiday and the New Year event. So very low market during the last 2 weeks, especially the last one of December 2019, and therefore we only took one trade on the 30th. So as you can see right here, we had this supply and demand zone. So right here, that crosses down, and then we have our first retest here of this zone as a resistance, then a push down, and then once again a retest with this wick and nearby right here, and then once again it fails to break above on December 26th, and finally the next day on the 27th we crossed above, and we were expecting at some point, of course, a pullback on it. But also, as you can see from this moment, that was the low, the lowest low. So right here we have a double bottom, and from this moment, price elevated and went to this high, and right here we started making a correction. So expecting, during seeing this bullish trend, we were expecting the correction nearby the supply and demand zone. That is key. Plus we plotted two Fibonacci. So from the actual last impulsive movement, so the last leg right here, so from previous low to the previous high right here, we had 61.8 at in confluence with the supply and demand, but also this is the last impulsive leg, but maybe the correction was not going to reflect the correction of this last leg, but also but actually maybe of this bigger leg, because we have this uh little term short term leg, but also you can see from here to here, this is like a more long-term leg, and therefore we use Fibonacci from previous low to the previous high, 61.8, and right here, so from previous low of this actual big movement, previous low to the previous high, we got a 38.2, so 38.2 fibs level in confluence with the 61.8 from these two legs, this little short term and this a bit longer term. We had the confluence plus the supply and demand zone, plus we had this key level that was retested once, and right here it just crossed a bit, but as you guys may know that it's not because a trend line is crossed that we sell price. It's only one indication, one element to help us in our analysis. So we don't sell um, trend lines. So this is right here confirmation. We had the zone yet not broken, so um, everything was in favor for the bullish movement, plus confluences of the fundamentals, and then especially right here where we entered, you see this last bearish candle and then the other bullish candle closing the same height as the previous. So this pattern of these two candles making a close and reverse that we call. So it's kind of a reversal candlestick pattern, and from this moment you can see price just a bit in the profit, come back to correct further. So it actually corrected nearby the 78.6, and then from this moment we elevated pretty fast in a couple of hours. So the trade that took actually 18 hours, so 18 hours, and we hit 130 pips for this easy, really simple, and a nice way to close the 2000 the end the yeah the 2019 in beauty. And therefore, guys, if you want to still copy, of course, this quality trading in 2020 and make a ton of pips with us at Golden Option, you can follow us at goldenoptiontrading.com. You can enter your email to stay updated for our latest announcement, releases, new services coming up in 2020, some giveaways that we also do, and you can also follow us on Instagram at Golden Option Trading with 63.8k followers. Pay attention to the followers. There's only one account with this number of followers, and the only second account officially right here with 19.3k followers, which is the Francophone account. And therefore, the recap for the last week of 2019, 130 pips, really good to end the year. And therefore, guys, I hope you had an amazing 2019 trading year, and that 2020 will bring even more pips, and that you'll fulfill your goals and desires. And therefore, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a new amazing year of trading.